If you need to edit, change employee information, or add or remove or change a policy within the system, once you're in the employee screen and then click on employee policies, there's a screen that will come up that will allow you to do that. Now, this will allow it for all your staff to be done at once, or if you maybe just wanted to do one or two at a time, or maybe only certain employees will apply to these policies that you're setting. Each setting can be changed. For example, you can program in different from the system default, but by default for lunch, for example, I have 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes. The schedule that's available, and that can be programmed separate as well. See the video on scheduling. The pay policy, so if you've seen one of the other videos where we set up a pay policy as well as a pay period, so where you have different overtimes and different overtime calculations, compensation plans, holiday calculations. If you need any rounding, now rounding will actually automatically move the time forward or back depending on the rules within your system. If you don't give early punch-ins extra time for those employees, then you can round that time. Also too, the different shift that they may be on, maybe they get paid differently for being on a different shift. Different options within this policy setting, as well as your rates, if it's going to apply to a certain department or a job that they're working on specifically, or if they're given a different rate just for a general labor. As well, when certain benefits would start, what the actual pay rate would be, the pay period that they fall into, as well as what hours are scheduled. And again, look at the scheduling video if you want more information on that. Once those items have been added, again, you can choose to save it just for the one employee or choose it to save it for all the employees.